increasingly, I think the vaccine is the only hope for really achieving herd immunity.
Dr. Elizabeth Connick is the chief of infectious diseases at the University of Arizona. She's talking about reaching herd immunity when a high percentage of the community is immune to a disease through a vaccination or prior illness. For COVID-19, that might need to be as high as 70% of the population. But according to a new poll by OH Predictive Insights, that number may be difficult to achieve. In a survey of 600 Arizona voters, just 38% say they would take a vaccine against COVID-19. The same amount, 38%, say they would not take the vaccine, and 23% say they're unsure. So 61% of those surveyed say they aren't ready to get the shot. Several promising vaccines are in phase 3 clinical trials right now. That includes Moderna's vaccine trial that I'm participating in here in Tucson. Dr. Jack McGettigan is running that trial at Quality of Life Medical and Research Center.
There are people who, no matter what, won't get a vaccine. But I think the majority of us that look into the science and look at the risk versus benefit, I mean, we're all hearing about the potential downside of getting COVID. If they want to alleviate that risk and there's a vaccine, I certainly would encourage them to consider it.
The OH Predictive poll shows more than half of Arizonans, 54%, would take the vaccine if it's developed and produced in the United States. But over a quarter of those surveyed still would not take it, even if developed and produced in the U.S.